the sun's going down with its deep umber light, embracing the town as we fall into night, to the silvery sound as the birds fly away, getting ready.
I get a little emotional when I say Rockport was just perfect. Jill just nailed it. It was just what I was looking for. A quaint little fishing village with tourist appeal.
This is a setup movie because we're not really here. We got here earlier. But this is how we came in. This is our place. And Jill has picked it out, and it's just super cool. Look at this. I showed you the bathroom toilet in Vancouver to flush. We got something else. Look at this. A real porthole in the shower. This one is... Oh, oops.
In the morning sun, I'll be sitting in the evening come, watching the ships roll in, and then I'll watch them roll away again. Yeah, I'm sitting on the dock of the bay, watching the tide roll away. Ooh, just sitting on the dock of the bay, wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay, 'cause I've had nothing to live for, and look like nothing's gonna come my way. So I'm just
Go get.
We don't have a lobster yet. Oh, he's gonna. Oh,
How
he's
about
gonna
you?
refill. Okay. Wait, yeah, where's Danny and Em?
Yeah, big one. Let's go. Oh.
Wait, should we wait for the crew? Okay.
There you go.
Oh my.
Oh my goodness.
Wait, can I hold his claw?
Oh. Oh.
Wait, that's so cool.
One for the other hand?
Yeah, let's go. Are you kidding?
There you go.
Oh my god.
The weather's wonderful. Thank you, Jill.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. All these lobsters are for us.
We took advantage of the weather Sunday and drove up the coast. We were told in advance that the 11-mile stretch of New Hampshire coast was incredibly beautiful, and they were right.
Oh my God.
Yeah. It's really high tide right now.
We spent quite a while on the beach. You know, went for a long walk, wished for world peace, etc. But we still had places to go, things to see. Hampton Beach was where the action was, and further up on Ocean Boulevard was where the money was.
You and me, oh how happy we'll be
When each wave comes a-rolling in,
We will duck or swim
and we'll float and fool around the water,
over and under.
and then up for air.
Pa is rich,
Ma is rich.
so now what do we care?
I love to be beside your side,
Beside the sea,
beside the seaside, by the beautiful sea.
We were headed inland tomorrow for the lake country. We were rounding out a really great day back at the Fish Shack here in Rockport. And yeah, having more seafood. It was raining Monday morning as we packed up to leave for Newfound Lake in Hebron. Sandburn Drive was kind of a ritzy area. The place wasn't a small lake cabin, but a huge rambling lake house complex. The place was absolutely huge, like a lodge. It was cold, getting dark, and we couldn't turn on the heat because we discovered from the Airbnb owner in Oregon that it had in-floor heating and would take half the night to warm. Plan B was to drive back into town for lighter fluid and build a fire, which we did, and it helped. There was a mist and fog on the lake in the morning. Canoes for our use. We could see a tiny island with a house on it off the docks. When we arrived around noon, eager neighbors told us about the must-do lake tour at the Science Center, so we dumped our bags and headed over to see if we could get on the 1 o'clock tour. We did. Squam Lake is where they filmed the movie On Golden Pond.
Find me abruptly and suddenly changing direction of the boat. That means as well, Swan. Floating in the lake, not to mention the lake was devastating
It was the last day of our trip, and the loons were conveying their goodbyes. Squam Lake couldn't have been prettier for our send-off.
Oh, there's a loon saying goodbye to us.
Hear the loons.
This is our last day of vacation, and the loons are calling.
They are calling. I can
to
hear
us,
them.
saying goodbye in the background. We've had a really nice vacation. Bye-bye.
And you are in my dreams. You're underneath my skin. All my soul